So, you've got your CV sorted, but what about your cover letter? A lot of people skip it, but a good cover letter can really make you stand out. Let me show you how CV Labz writes one for you in minutes. Head to the cover letter section. You'll see any letters you've already created and a big button to generate a new one. Let's do that. Step 1. Upload your documents. Upload your CV. Upload the job description. This is what makes it work so well. The AI reads both and writes a letter that connects your experience to exactly what the company is looking for. Both uploaded. Now hit Review Extracted Details. The AI is reading through your documents and pulling out the key info. Takes just a few seconds. Step 2. Verify details. The AI has already filled in the company name, job title, and the full job description. Just check that everything looks right. It also pulled in your personal info, your name, your phone number, email, skills, and down here you can add the recipient details if you have them. If not, no worries. Hiring Manager works just fine. Once it all looks good, hit Save and Continue. Step 3. Configure AI. Pick your tone. Are you going for professional, creative, technical, or executive? This tells the AI what style to write in. For most jobs, professional is a safe bet. But if you're applying to a startup or creative agency, try creative for a more personal touch. And now the magic happens. The AI is writing your cover letter, tailored to the job, using your actual experience. Another fun fact while you wait. Step 4. Preview and chat. And here it is, a full personalized cover letter. On the left, you see a live preview. It's got everything. A strong opening, your relevant experience, and a solid closing, all matched to the job you're applying for. On the right, you've got the cover letter assistant. This is where it really gets powerful. You can chat with the AI and ask it to make changes. Want it shorter? Just type "make it shorter." It comes back with a proposed update, broken into sections: intro, body, and closing. You can preview each one and then apply all the changes with one click, or reject them if you prefer the original. You can also click any section in the preview to edit it by hand. It's totally flexible. When you're happy, download it as a PDF. Done. And CV Labz suggests what to do next. Practice for your interview with the AI coach, find more matching jobs with the AI job recommender, or research the company with Company Explorer. Or take the growth assessment to level up your career. That's it. In just a few minutes, you've got a professional AI-written cover letter that's tailored to the exact job you're applying for. No more staring at a blank page, trying to figure out what to write. Try it at cvlabz.com and go land that job.